At St. Mary's School for the Deaf, students succeed.
St. Mary's helped me gain my confidence in leadership skills.
St. Mary's is one of the best schools for the deaf, really, in the country. We provide a total communication environment.
St. Mary's School for the Deaf was established in 1853. We have been serving Buffalo and the 8 counties of Western New York.
St. Mary's support me. Why? Because it's given me a lot of possibilities, a lot of chances that I wouldn't get in a mainstream school.
It's important for students to develop a positive self-image. Through sign language, students here can communicate directly. Everyone here uses sign language: the teachers, assistants, principals, and the administration. This is the best way for students to acquire language and develop self-esteem.
One of the things as a parent that is very comforting to know that there's an open line of communication between the family, the parents, and the teachers.
St. Mary's offers 7 different educational programs. We start with young babies from birth to 3 years of age in our deaf infant program. We have full-day preschool program from ages 3 to 5. We have elementary school, middle school, high school programs that parallel the public schools in the area. We have a TIP program, Transition to Independence program, for students who are not really Regents diploma bound. And then we have a program called SNAP, Special Needs Achievement Program. That's for students who are multiply disabled. That program uses New York State alternative assessments and really prepares kids for life after here.
I felt very successful because everything St. Mary's has given for me a joy to me as well.
St. Mary's School for the Deaf provides the opportunity for students to be lifelong learners and make connections that continue through their whole life.
It's given me a lot of opportunities. It's helped me become involved in a lot of different things, such as, well, St. Mary's allowed me to be included as part of a family. It's possible for me to socialize more and better than in a public school. I was more isolated there. Here, I'm much more social and better. It's much better.
St. Mary's School for the Deaf is like a second family to me.
St. Mary's School for the Deaf is rich in tradition, and outcomes are celebrated both locally and nationally.
Call to tour our school or for a free hearing test and visit our website at smsdk12.org.